Hi legends, I hope you're having a great Christmas. We've got the Maykey family around the Christmas tree and we've got one last present to open. I wonder what could be inside. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name's Mack. I'm a monkey.
Mack the Monkey, it's great to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. Who are you?
I am Sam. I'm Sam from Maykey Kids.
What's Maykey Kids?
Maykey Kids is a channel where we learn all about making, movement, and mindfulness. Do you know what mindfulness is, Mack?
No.
Well, that's great news because you're in the perfect place to learn. I can't wait to teach you. Hey, Mack.
Yeah.
Would you like to be our Maykey Monkey?
Oh, that'll be great. Yes, please. Ah!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas! Hey, Sam.
Yeah, Mack.
I love you.
I love you too, Mack the Maykey Monkey.